Unit 3, People I Love. Part 1. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
Who is she?
She is my grandmother.
Can she run fast?
No, she can't.
Is she young?
No, she isn't.
Part 2. Listen and repeat.
It is big. It is small. It is fast. It is slow. He is fat. He is slim. She is old. She is young. He is strong. He is weak. He is tall. She is short.
Part 4. Listen, circle and act out.
Hi, I am Jason. I am young.
1,
My grandfather is slim and slow.
2,
My sister is short and strong.
3,
This is my brother. He is tall and strong.
4,
This is my dog. It can run fast. It is big.
Part 8. Listen and repeat.
1. Jump. 2. Dance. 3. Sing. 4. Run. 5. Swim. 6. Play football. 7. Fly. 8. Draw.
Part 9. Listen and tick. 1,
My brother is tall. He can play basketball.
2,
My mother is young. She can run fast.
3,
My dog is slim. It can jump.
Part 12. Listen and sing the song.
My mother can run fast. She is fast. She is strong. She can sing and dance. She can sing and dance. My father can run fast. He is fast. He is strong. He can jump and dance. He can jump and